In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip text in Canva, a simple yet effective way to enhance your designs. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or someone just starting out, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease, allowing you to add a unique touch to your visual projects. Flipping text can create intriguing effects, making your design more eye-catching and dynamic. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have Canva open and are logged into your account, ready to work with the design where you want to flip the text. Once you're on your Canva dashboard, select the specific design project you want to edit or create a new one if that's what you plan to do. Now, locate the text you wish to flip in your design, simply click on the text to highlight it. This action makes all the editing options visible above your selected text box, which is critical for our next steps. It's important to make sure that your text is selected correctly to access the flipping options. If you accidentally click anywhere else, just re-click on the specific text you want to flip to ensure it's selected. Next, head over to the toolbar at the top of the Canva interface where you'll find various editing options. Among these options, you should see one labelled Flip. Go ahead and click on it. This button will open a drop-down menu with two flipping options, horizontal and vertical. Flipping options are a great way to experiment and see which direction enhances your design the best. For a straightforward and direct horizontal flip, click on Flip Horizontal. This action will mirror your text along the vertical axis, creating a unique and often surprising effect that might be exactly what your design needs to stand out. If you want to try flipping it the other way, click on Flip Vertical. This adjustment pivots your text along the horizontal axis. It's a fun way to add variety to your design, and flipping it vertically can lead to a creative and unexpected view that can capture the attention of your audience. These flipping techniques can be utilized creatively to make your designs more captivating. Remember, design is all about experimentation and finding the best way to convey your message artistically. Don't hesitate to try flipping different elements of your design to see what works best, and there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully flipped text in Canva to add a fresh perspective to your design projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, and as you become more familiar with tools like these, your creativity will undoubtedly expand. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy designing.